Today we're gonna take a look at another picoCTF 2024 challenge. And this time we are in cryptography category and we are going to look at C3. And the challenge says this is custom cyclical cipher. Download the ciphertext here, download the encoder here, and close the flag in our wrapper for submission. If the flag was example, you would submit picoCTF example. Right, so we are going to decode apparently just the part in the middle here. wget ciphertext, wget the encoder, which appears to be a Python script. So cryptography C3, let's open this folder. So let's see what the converter does. It is reading from the standard input, appending the lines one by one, and then later down we are iterating through the characters. We are looking up the index in this. And then with the index, we found we are looking up the character in this. And we are appending that character to the output. I am guessing 40 is the length of this. Let's see. That is 40. Let's clean up the source code a little bit more. Notice I've renamed this lookup out len because I want to rename this as lookup in, because this deals with the characters coming in, and lookup out because this deals with the characters going out. We already know by looking at this that the input characters have to be in this string, right? It's one of those characters. So let's say if we have to encrypt the character 2, it will fail because lookup in index will throw an error when the character isn't part of the lookup string. Let's open the ciphertext for a second. So for example, let's say we are trying to reverse the first letter, D. So we look up the index here, and then that index gets translated to the character in lookup in over here instead of lookup out. And since this is doing subtraction, current index minus previous index, if we are to reverse this operation has to be a plus. I believe that's all the changes we need to do to create a decryptor for this. And to start off with, since we're going to use most of the code from here, we're just going to copy it over. So it is taking the index of the character in the lookup out. It is calculating the index in lookup in, and then using that index to get the character in the decrypted text. And then previous equals index, which is what we've had here, because they have to chain, right? And let's take a look. Hello, okay. So looks like we've decrypted it correctly. Okay, we have a bunch of comments over here, which I believe are hints on how we are supposed to run this script. Because the first one was obvious, we ran it against the ciphertext, right? But this one, we have nothing to run it against. ASCII order, 40 characters, self-input, Python 2. Okay, so Python 2 is this, right? That's the second Python script. Self-input, I'm taking that to be send this file as an input to itself. 40 characters is what we saw before here, 40 characters length. ASCII order, I'm not too sure just yet. And this prints character, but it has an error. The problem is if we are changing this source code, since it's feeding into itself, it might change the output. So what I think we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this as is, and we're gonna create a new file. We're gonna cat decrypted.txt. We are gonna pipe this to Python decrypted fixed pi and stage2.txt. This is our stage 2. Yeah, this could be a flag. there is just one thing. I want this to be on the same line. And then a print at the end. Again. Add libs. Okay. And that was our flag. This was a fun challenge. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you all at the next challenge. Bye!